thank you for choosing the Caleffi 132 QuickSetter balancing valve. This installation tips video will help give you a general overview to help you with your installation and get your job started. But one of the first things that you should notice when you open the box is going to be the installation instructions. Make sure to read them because they will have a lot of important information that might not be covered in this video. There are two versions of the QuickSetter, the original QuickSetter and the QuickSetter Plus. The original QuickSetter is going to come with female NPT connections from 1/2 inch to 2 inch sizes and have flow ranges from 0.5 to 50 gallons per minute. It is intended for hydronic applications and comes with an insulation jacket. The QuickSetter Plus is going to come with sweat tail pieces in 1/2 inch to 1 inch sizes. It is also going to have flow ranges from 0.5 to 7 gallons per minute. From there, it is a low lead model, so it is intended for domestic water applications. It will also have an integral check valve on the inlet of the device, but make sure that you install that integral check valve after you're done sweating the tail pieces in place so you don't damage the check valve. It does not come with an insulation jacket like the original QuickSetter, but it does come in models with or without the temperature gauge on the outlet. The QuickSetter can be installed in any orientation in a vertical or horizontal pipe. Just be sure that when you are installing it that you have complete access to the flow meter as well as the bypass ring. From there, you'll also want to make sure that the flow in your pipe is going to match the flow arrow on the side of the QuickSetter, otherwise it won't work properly. When installing the QuickSetter balancing valve, you'll want to make sure to have a minimum distance of 5 pipe diameters from the inlet of the QuickSetter to an elbow or a valve, and a minimum distance of 10 pipe diameters from the inlet of the QuickSetter to a pump. This will ensure the greatest accuracy of the integral flow meter. You'll also want to be certain that your system is clear of any debris or other contaminants and doesn't contain a lot of entrained air. Dirt and air will affect the flow meter. And when you're ready to balance your system, adjusting the flow on the QuickSetter is pretty straightforward. The first thing that you're going to notice is the adjustment stem on the QuickSetter. It's going to have a slot in it. That slot is going to be parallel with the pipe at the moment. That means that the valve is completely open. If that slot is perpendicular with the pipe, that means the valve is going to be completely closed. From there, you'll have a little slide indicator, that's red guy right here. You're going to want to set that to where you want your flow to be. In this case, we'll set it to 1.25 gallons per minute. From there, with the system running, you're going to want to pull on the pull ring, and you'll notice the little floating ball in there. That's going to be what is going to tell you what your flow is through your system. So you're going to pull that pull ring, and right now you'll notice that your flow is about 1.75 gallons per minute. And you'll take a small wrench, and you'll put it on the adjustment stem, and adjust the flow until you get that little ball right at 1.25 gallons per minute. And then you can let go of the pull ring and you're all set. If you have the original QuickSetter with the insulation jacket, you'll want to remove the protective strips covering the adhesive on the insulation jacket and then wrap it tightly around the QuickSetter. And if you are installing this in a chilled water application, you're going to want to put a thin layer of sealant around the entire outside edge of the insulation jacket and then wrap it around the QuickSetter. This will prevent any dripping of condensation in a chilled water application. I hope you found these tips useful, but if you do have any other questions, please contact your wholesaler, your rep, or us directly. And thanks for watching.